Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Lobos Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to double up your data, or in other words, how to get more data than what you originally pay for. So this is only available for people in Ghana, and then this is only available for MTN users. So on your screen, you're going to have some testimonies I've gotten from this trick. It seems to be working pretty fine. So you start by entering *567*1*1*2# and then you send. So while you wait, this is just for MTN users. Here you have to input the least amount, which is the 0.07. After inputting that, you send. Now choose the option 4. Now you can either choose to pay with airtime or boa money. In my case, I choose the airtime. So after this initial process, I would like you to keep repeating this process to accumulate more data. You can start all over by entering the same code, or you can copy it down so you can just paste it to make it easier for you. So that's all for today, guys. I do hope this tutorial was very helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gist and updates. Thank you so much.